Hanging out here with the goats, and they're eating their fall leaves, and I'm just finished making a gate in my electric fence. I made it excuse me, I made it out of cattle panels. So I'll show you really quick what I did, since I'm not going to go through the whole process with you. So guys, here is the gate that I just made. It's between the electric fence. So here's my electric fence. Right there, and I basically stop at the T-post right here. See that? And then I'm taking a wire which I have connected. I've wrapped around. It's not the best way, but it's the way I've done it right now. This is just temporary. And taking it up so any water drips down and not up the wire into the cavity, and then it goes down in a loop, goes underground, and it goes to the other side, and it loops around the fiberglass post right here. The fiberglass post is not connected to the T-post, except it's just connected by some zip ties right here. And then I've done the same thing here with the wire that goes underground, connects to different parts of the fence, and I've connected the different areas of the fence to the different strands that go along the 4 different layers of the fence. So this is a simple barn, a cattle panel fence, nothing fancy. I'm using it so that I can connect the next part of their pasture, and I'm going to be connecting some of the forest that we have here, and also protect the chickens on one side. You can see that this fence, the electric fence, protects part of the high tunnel. This used to be, I'm not sure what the doggy is doing. This used to be like really tall weeds and grass and stuff, and basically I have a video from before of us opening up this area, but now it's all short grass, and all the big tall weeds are gone, and now these so that's how I did my cattle panel sheep fence between the electric fence. Relatively inexpensive. Just used some wire that I had standing around. I used the electric fence tester. Basically, this is right here. Test the voltage in the fence to basically see what's going across. The voltage on that side of the fence is the same as the voltage on this side of the fence, so the wire that I put around there and woven it into the woven into the fence is working well. So I've taken 3 strands, one up there, one down there. So basically continuing the flow of electricity into the fence. I will then start opening up the fence in those areas there. So I needed this basically this small gate. And again, relatively inexpensive. This is the cheapest way. I looked at barn gates and all that kind of stuff. Man, they were too expensive for me. So, zip ties, T-post, and a section of the cattle panel fencing, some wire, and basically just continuing this electric fence. I will put it behind the forest. There's a trail behind the forest. People walk down. It's a walking trail. I'll put it behind there so the goats can start slowly, eating up all these weeds around here. And yeah, and we'll go from there. Everything looks good. What do you think, dog? Hey, Bug. Okay. Well, that's how I made my relatively inexpensive cattle panel fence.